finish, nigga. Fast money, fast cars, I do it for this shit.
Alright, so we're trying to get it to the $25 sign. So we're gonna see my pull-out game good.
You're already throwing gas all over my car, Luis. What are you doing? Que al putazo, que al Juan Gabriel, que el Emiliano.
Hey, so today we got a little Holden meet going on. All the Chevy SS's, all the GTOs.
It feels really good though, pulling up in a new car, bro.
The Commodore.
Four doors for what? More bros.
More
Cause
brothers.
look.
Cause this motherfucker is packed.
Hey, perros. Hey, pero manda un saludo para San Juan.
Un saludo para todos San Juan de los Lagos del parte del Spanky.
Oh man, but
Hey, boy.
Dice que me tocó una chupadita y él me lo paga. Simón, pero que nomás que no va tu jefa. Pero sí me lo hago, pero no hay que decirlo.
oh what?
Un tatuaje de una chupadita.
First things first, fill it up with E85.
Yes.
Cars are barely pulling up to the meet.
Yeah, we were like the first ones there. We got there exactly at 4 o'clock, but I realized I needed some gas. So we're gonna pump gas real quick because they're gonna head out in about an hour. But we're outside of the SS today. We're about to see a lot more. I don't know what else we're gonna see. It should be good today. It's gonna be a little cruise, huh?
I believe we're cruising from Long Beach Boulevard. I believe we're cruising from Long Beach to San Diego. Oh shit! San Pedro. Alright, okay,
All right, so we're going from Long Beach to San Pedro.
From San Pedro to Hollywood.
Ooh,
We're about to go to what's that spot we go to?
Archie's.
Look in the back though.
Good OBS. Damn.
I think we need the
How
OBS.
many cars do you think are gonna pull up?
How
How many Holdens?
I hope 100 Chevy SS's pull up,
Yeah.
100 Caprices pull up,
The PPVs.
and 100 G8s.
Damn. What about the GTOs?
Oh, the GTO is probably gonna be like 4.
And 50 trucks.
Oh yeah, all the truck scene that couldn't make it to the car meet.
Well, we're about to head out already because there was people pulling up already. So we gotta get a little parking.
But turn it on so they could hear it one time.
Yeah, we got the F bodies out too.
Ya me lo dio, güey.
Se los agarré, güey. No, güey, tenía 2 pinches huevotes aquí, güey.
Dos bolas de nieve, dijo.
No, güey.
¿De qué están hablando, pinche?
No,
Let's just go buy some plates at Yetro. Bang. This color is so beautiful right here. It's C8 though, hard.
I like the wheels.
White one.
The Tahoe's bigger than this one, huh?
That one's bigger?
Same thing.
Nah, yeah, it's bigger. It looks bigger. Mr. York. Mr. York.
Let's say over here, look. Over here.
Oh, look, Luis. This is your hood.
It is.
It is. It's the one they just cut though.
And they paint it over, or you think
Yeah,
that one has carbon fiber on it?
It probably does have carbon fiber. We gotta just sand it to see it. But man, look on the 4Gs right there. Yeah. Come on, man. The booster joints. You know we gonna need some rims and the booster blower. The George?
I got a haircut. Cars out here. I ain't even gonna lie.
It's gonna be a good cruise.
Hell yeah, but I think we gotta go because there's the police coming. There's some haters, bro.
When the cops come, that's when more people.
They don't come over here often in Long Beach. When you call the police, they don't pull up like that.
Yeah, right? Oh, there's a car meet. Pull everybody over. Out of here, bro.
So hell yeah. Hey, pero mándales un saludo a toda la gente
Un saludo a toda la gente de por ahí.
Por ahí.
de por ahí.
Que anda regañándonos porque nos juntamos bien vergas y se enojó.
Y andamos a gusto, ¿verdad? No andamos molestando a la gente.
A nadie andamos molestando y se enojan con nosotros. Eso está mal.
Hey, that's not a Holden.
That's not Australian. That's Northern. That's Northern Division.
That's North Division, LA, LBPD, huh?
También vienen a ver, a ver.
already. Güey, ese güey pasó en vergüenza, güey. Ese güey pasó como a 30 millas por hora, güey, la neta. ¡Cazando madres! How long you think we're gonna take till they kick us out from here?
I don't know. It's about like
We're paying, but everybody started cutting. We got 1,000 cars in the back. This says no car gatherings.
Should I put it? Should I put it?
Right there,
here?
reverse it. Somewhere
Right there?
Right here. What? I wonder how many people are gonna complain about the $13 parking. But bro, you can't beat this.
So we do it like a color?
Shout out to that guy in the black truck. He only let us cut, but then the
other homies started cutting them and shit, you know.
The shout out to the homie once again. I don't know your name, but
Good looking, bro.
Yeah. Over here, baby. Look at that. Look, the boats with the boat.
The sharks.
Oh no, the truck's gotta go somewhere else, pops.
Hey, good looking, but you're gonna park it that way, bro. Ya están los pinches Hellcats in the back.
Aquí venimos a visitar a los pescados. Por si quieren echar una vuelta, que vamos a andar.
Métete, quítate todo, güey, métete.
No,
¿Te has metido al mar de los Estados United?
está bien fría el agua aquí, no se puede meter uno porque me puede dar un
Aguas,
resfriado.
güey.
Un detector de metales. Todo eso.
A ver si te encontrabas algo.
Un tesoro.
Un tesoro. Ricky.
El lotero.
I don't think there's an elotero here right now.
¿Ya te toca el agua, amigo?
No, estaba bien frío.
They all leaving.
No, te pasa
I don't think they let them in. They're all taking off. Wait.
Good batch.
Ya, joven.
Move the whole porta potty for us, please.
I just have to hold it while I record.
For your vlog. For your vlog. Dale más, güey, dale más.
No, this is weird. It turns it like the camera is like weird, like it follows something else.
It's lindo.
Following
Oh, es que it fucking
Oh yeah, the
it
little
moves.
thing. It follows the little shit, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is on this side where this is Good Batches meet. On that side it was V-Loans. So as you guys can see over here is everything's free. You know, everyone's welcome. We're family friendly.
Well, do you think I should just put a chargeback on the $13 I spent on the last parking lot, or
Man,
what?
to be honest, I should just take it as a loss and just keep moving forward.
Smile, you're on camera.
Don't start.
Damn, that one right there. That's the thumbnail right there. Ahora el mayor anda en un coupe. Man, what color do you guys like the most though? Red or blue? What's up, man?
No.
Nah.
That's it. We're doing a fundraiser for a person that passed away.
For real?
Oh yeah, this is a good view right here. Then all the birds are shitting on them, look. Oh no, we got the police here. Man, everybody's just hanging out though. And they 5 deep in there. Man, they came out for a cruise too, huh? That's how I'm trying to be with my boot thing. Hey, baby, no. Hell yeah.
6-speed Tahoe, right-hand drive, Chevy SS with a Hellcat blower, bro.
Steering wheel.
We gone or what? Shout out to my boy Brian, bro. Shot by Bremen. Always getting the exclusive shots, bro. What you think that police is trying to talk about over there?
Well, my shit right here just chopping.
The thing is that there's another one right next to him. He looks like he's ready to go. Look.
Man, they chilling just because nobody was really doing shit. That's what I think, you know? I don't know.
Oh, look, they left. We could do some donuts now.
Reverse. Nah. You're looking at oh shit.
Que pedo con el goat. It's a beautiful sunset out here. But we gone. I think we might just go to Long Beach. We're about to head over to Archie's, but it's a low drive.
Yeah.
More police. No parking out there. That fool was smiling.
I forgot we had that the vlog eating, you know. I forgot to record Ricky's damn sushi. He swallowed that shit. But we got a little ramen going on. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Nigga, you ain't eat out the floor with us, nigga. You ain't eat out the garbage with us, nigga. You know what I mean? You wasn't there, nigga. You wasn't there with us, nigga.